Hello everyone, I am Akansha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am pursuing PhD from IIT Patna and I did my MTech from NIT Jalandhar. Today I will talk about periodic and non-periodic signal. When students study this concept, it creates confusion. But today I will clear the concept of periodic and non-periodic signal. So let's begin. What is periodic signal? Continuous time signal xt is said to be periodic if and only if xt is equal to xt plus capital T for minus infinite to infinite for all t. In other words, a periodic signal has the property that remains unchanged when time shifted by t. We can understand more with this explanation. A circle may be represented by r into e to the power j theta, taking r as 1 and theta is equal to omega t. Periodicity of e की power j omega t is given by it is a circle of e की power j omega t. We can write as e की power j omega t is equal to e की power j omega t plus capital T. We can also write as e to the power j omega t into e to the power j omega capital T. The value of e to the power j omega t is equal to 1 and it is as it is equal to 1. So we can write as cos omega t plus j sin omega t is equal to 1. Taking real part. So cos omega t is equal to 1. So we can write as omega t is equal to 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi and so on. Then we can also write as capital T is equal to 2 pi upon omega. What is non-periodic signal? A non-periodic signal is any signal that does not repeat itself after any period. Most of the signals we come across in real life are non-periodic. For example, speech is a non-periodic signal. How to find period of signal? Find highest common factor of omega 1, omega 2, omega 3 and so on. Highest common factor is the which will divide the individual omega by integer set of values. The sequence P1 by Q1 and P2 by Q2 and so on Pn by Qn. Then we can find by this formula of omega naught is equal to HCF of P1, P2, P3, P4 and so on up to Pn upon LCM of Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and so on up to Qn. Omega naught is the fundamental frequency, that frequency from which wave xt is propagating in the space. I am explaining with bunch of numericals, so continue on. xt is equal to cos 18 pi t plus sin 12 pi t. Find signal is periodic or non-periodic. omega naught is equal to SCF of 18 pi and 12 pi. So SCF of 18 pi and 12 pi is equal to 6 pi. Then we can write as 2 pi f is equal to 6 pi. So f is equal to 3. Then t is equal to 1 by f. So it is equal to 1 by 3. So it is a periodic signal with periodicity of 1 by t. Next example is xt is equal to sin 2 pi t upon t into cos 4 pi t upon 5. Find periodic or non-periodic. Solution. Apply trigonometry formula. So we can write as 1 by 2 sin 2 pi t by 3 plus 4 pi t upon 5 plus sin 2 pi t by 3 minus 4 pi t upon 5. So it is equal to 0.5 in bracket sin 22 pi t upon 5 minus sin 2 pi t upon 15. So apply the formula omega naught is equal to SCF of n 2 pi upon LCM of 5 and 15. So we can write as 2 pi upon 15 equal to 2 pi upon t. So t is equal to 15. So it is a periodic signal with period of 15. If you are watching till now, so please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I update more on FB page, so follow my Facebook page. Link is in description below. Next example is xt is equal to cos 3t plus sin 5 pi t. Find signal is periodic or non-periodic. Apply the formula omega naught is equal to SCF of 3, 5t. We can't find HCF. So it is a non-periodic signal. Next example is xt is equal to cos 5t into ut. Find signal is periodic or non-periodic. The waveform of cos 5t is this, and ut waveform is this. So when we multiply these two waveforms, then we can find this waveform. So it is not repeating from minus infinite to plus infinite, so it is a non-periodic signal. Next example is xn is equal to 2 cos pi n upon 4 plus sin pi n upon 8 minus 2 cos pi n by 2 plus pi by 6. Find signal is periodic or non-periodic. Apply the formula omega naught is equal to SCF of pi upon LCM of 4, 8 and 2. Then 2 pi upon n is equal to pi by 8. Then we can find n is equal to 16. So it is periodic discrete time signal. Next example is xn is equal to e to the power j7 pi n. Find signal is periodic or non-periodic. So 2 pi n is equal to 7 pi. N is equal to 2 by 7. But it is a form of rational number, so multiply with multiplication factor. We can multiply with multiplication factor. So n is equal to 2 pi by 7 into 7. 7 is a multiplication factor, so n is equal to 2. So it is a discrete periodic signal. Xn is equal to un plus u minus n. Find it is periodic or non-periodic signal. Please answer in comment below. Hope you guys enjoyed it and thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to share my YouTube channel. Thank you.